your audience's attention the same way that a beautiful sunset or sunrise captures your attention? Well, now you can with the brand new tool that we're introducing today, which is called VidPalAi. VidPalAi is where the brilliance of AI meets the beauty and artistry of video creation. You're going to be able to use it to create all kinds of attention-grabbing videos for your business. I'm talking about sales videos, squeeze page videos, product promo videos, business ad videos, tutorial videos, informational videos, and slideshow videos. So let's take a look at those now and see what this is going to do for you and your business. Sales videos attract more sales. Squeeze page videos attract more subscribers. Product promo videos attract more sales and affiliate commissions. Business ad videos attract more clients. Informational videos attract more web traffic. Tutorial videos attract targeted prospects. Slideshow videos also attract web traffic. VidPalAi is the one tool that can create all of those videos for you. So the way I see it is you've got a couple of options here. You could click the order button right now and just go explore it for yourself. That's a great option because we do have a money-back guarantee, and I know you'll have fun creating videos within minutes of joining. The other option is sit back and relax, and I'll give you a full demonstration of using VidPalAi to create all 7 of those types of videos right here in this video. If you choose that route, you'll get to see exactly what this will do for you and your business, and then you can make an educated decision at the end of it. All right, so if you want option 1, please click the order button now. Option 2, let's jump into the real-life demonstration right now. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. From there, we'll click on the Video Creation tab on the left, and it will bring up some options for ways to create a video. You can use AI, which is what we'll be focusing on in this demonstration. You can also create slideshow videos using stock images. You can import your own images or even upload images, or you can even upload your own video to then work with. So let's click on AI Whiteboard Video. From there, we have 6 different types of videos that we can create. We'll start with a sales video. You can create sales videos for any type of product, whether it be a digital or a physical product. For this demo, let's do a digital product. We'll do one called Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way. It's a video course, and we'll give one very short sentence of what that product is. And click Submit. Alright, it has generated the script for the video. If we simply don't like it, we could click the Regenerate button. We could click the Copy button to copy it to the clipboard. Or to work with it immediately, just click the down arrow. That's what we'll do now. From here we have a few options to fill out and choose from. So first we'll give the video a title. Select a font. I'm just going to go with something pretty simple, like Tahoma. Font size. I'm going to keep black text, but the background color maybe something like a light blue. We can choose from a wide variety of video resolutions. I'm going to go with the full HD 1080p. I'll keep the text centered for now. We can choose no background music, or we can use background music from the built-in library, or we can upload our own. I'm going to choose one called A New Day. I'm going to set the music volume to 0.1. We can then choose from a wide variety of male and female voices. I'm going to choose Cora for this one. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see that the program automatically generated the slides with the text pre-populated. Now you can go ahead and tweak any of that if you wish. You can fix any text or change any wording that you want to change. You can eliminate slides, you can add new ones, you can move them around, however you want to do that. But I have found that it does a pretty good job for the most part, so I'm going to leave this one as is and just click Create Video. As soon as it finishes generating, it will take you to your file manager where it will store your video. From here you can click to view it. Let's do that real quick.
Are you tired of anxiety ruling your life? Introducing Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way, a video course designed to help you regain control and find lasting relief. Anxiety can affect anyone, and it's debilitating.
Alright, as you can see, the voice is just perfect. It sounds great. I intentionally picked a voice that sort of had that relaxing tone to it, I think that would appeal to this audience. You can also click to edit the video, and we'll take a look at how to do that throughout this demonstration on some of the other videos that we're going to create. You could also go back and edit it as a whiteboard video. I'm going to show you that real quick just so you can see. You could actually go back and without having to regenerate the script or to redo any of those options, you can go back and change just specific parts of it, like the font, the size, the video resolution, the color.